CRM 2000 common injector repair tools scaled screen. It can test both Danson, Dolphin, Caterpillar, and Cummins. We can test testers with injectors. Now choose the Danson brand and Z2. Now choose replace the valve. Now you can follow the pictures step by step. You can see the reference of the angles, QP and twist shoot, and you can also follow the structures from here. This also follows the pictures. We can read the details of the solenoid valve details. The next, also follow the pictures and structures. And read the details. Then you can know the details of the shoe.